Hi, boss. It's Linda from Xiamen. Today, I want to introduce you our laser machine, ST-65L laser machine. It's colorful, and it's Tiffany blue. It's very fashionable, right? And it can help you solve the problems caused by short circuits about night problems. It's useful for you to repair TV panels, okay? And you can see here, the head, we can move it front and back, left and right. It's very flexible for us to operate. And for this, there are 3 lengths, and it can enlarge by 5 times, 10 times, and 20 times for the screw. And for the platform, we can support 85-inch screens. Here we can see it has a suspension platform for here. For the 4 colors, there are 4 airbags to support it. And for here is the platform. It's very easy for our technicians to operate. And here is the screen. It's easy for us to find the 40 points. We can adjust it very clearly. Okay, and at last, but most importantly, we provide free training for this machine. So if you have any requirements about this machine, welcome to contact us for more information. Thank you.